How about you? I'm Hank. Welcome to Hamiltonville Farm. I got some driveway maintenance to do today. I'm going to take off the box blade, slap on the Landplane, and Landplane my driveway. If you've seen any of my previous videos, I really complain a lot about the dirt and the sand that is washing into our garden area. We're flower farmers by trade, and so we don't need dirt all down through there. But it's really helped a lot since I've taken a lot of your advice, and I've slanted the road this way a little bit. And then now a lot of the stuff just washes out into here, which is fine. I don't care about it over there. But eventually, you know, I'll pay to get a couple loads of rock brought in, and that should help my problem as well. But, you know, until you can get those funds, you got to just keep maintaining it. So we'll take off the box blade, put the Landplane on, and get to work.
Hey Magnolia, I know I stole ya heart when we were young. You had big dreams to be the fashion queen and leave your mark. I hope life hasn't beat you down. You probably learn what you do comes back around. Most of all, I pray your heart has found its way to fly. We're just kids staying young until we die. Hey there, Justin, you still dancing? Could always move your feet to any music. You just smile and then feel the beat. I hope life hasn't beat you down. You probably learn what you do comes back around. Most of all, I pray your heart has found its way to fly. 'Cause we're just kids staying young until we die. And no matter what you do, don't ever lose spark I saw in your eyes. The world will try and say you're a type of kind of race, but dreams only need what's inside. When the going gets hard and you lose a fight to be what you know you're meant to be, take a deep breath in, choose to jump again, 'cause the world needs more children than it needs men. Hey there, Mom and Dad, do I make you sad? Well, it's all I know. I don't want to find.
I come out here and open my gate. I've got to exit. I'm actually going to rebuild this gate in February, so that video will be out in March, because this one takes 40 forever. I mean, it takes 30 seconds to do a sweep, I guess you'd say. And this is horrible. It's a Mighty Mule 560, and literally it's the slowest daggum gate opener on the market. But we'll get that opened and get down in here a little bit. All right, let's take a look at what's going on. It's looking pretty good. Got a couple of clumps. I got 4 or 5 passes I'm gonna do here, but it's leveling that out nicely. Getting all the big ruts taken care of and all that good stuff, and just kind of refreshing the driveway. You know, that's a good thing about the Landplane. It just helps refresh your driveway and some of the dirt roads that you have. So what we're going to do is we're just going to keep on keeping on, and then we'll just keep going until I feel like it's smooth enough. But it's working good. Sometimes this loose dirt, it's just hard to pull it out. It acts like a box blade sometimes. So that stuff is supposed to, you know, fall off the top of this and out the backside here. But sometimes you just get all this loose clay and all that, and it just wants to pile up in there like a box blade, which is not what it's designed to do. I just did a little bit up there, but the circular drive, what we call it, that looks good. And then this piece here down to the gate looks fine. And that's really, you know, what I wanted to take care of today. Let's talk about this TYM 574 just for a second. There's a lot of reviews out there on the tractor. I don't know if I'll make one or not. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. A couple things that I already know that I really like a lot. Like this external lever to lower and raise the 3-point hitch. That's awesome. I like that fact it's got a dipstick versus a sight glass. I really, you know, it comes standard with 2 remotes here in the back, which I hook up my hydraulic top link with. So all this, you know, this is fine. They got a little extra glass down here to see out of, but, you know, I've got mine with a little mat here, and so I don't know how much of a factor that will play. But I'm telling you what, guys, if you are in the market for a cab that is spacious, my goodness gracious, this cab, you can live in it. It is huge. So it's a super nice, super comfortable cab. And it's just amazing how easy it is to get in and out of. And of course, it's hydrostatic. It's taken me a little bit to get used to that. Let me show you something about this joystick right quick. I've seen on a lot of forums where people take this joystick and actually rotate it 180 degrees so that the crook is down here. And so I may end up doing that. I haven't done any loader work yet, so I don't know if this particular angle or orientation of the joystick is going to be, you know, out of, maybe uncomfortable, maybe is the word I'm looking for. So if it proves to be uncomfortable, I'll just rotate this 180 degrees, get it closer to my right thigh back in that area. So anyway, I like it a lot so far. I mean, I haven't done anything with it much. I mean, good Lord, I've only got 5 hours on it or something like that. But, you know, what I have done in it, I'm going to give you, what I like to do is I'd like to give you probably like a 50-hour review on it or something like that. Those are just some of my quick takes. There's nothing really I don't like about it so far. But like I said, I got 5 hours in it. So as I get more and more into the tractor, I'm sure the things I won't like about it will be some type of personal preference type stuff. So not machine related. You know, everybody's got their own, you know, hey, I'd like to have this here or that there or whatever. So once I discover those, I'll point those out, and it might be something worth mentioning. Get a Landplane. It's super easy to use, super important to have one to maintain a gravel driveway or a dirt driveway with. Absolutely works wonders. I did want to mention that all these outlets over here, you got the cigarette or marine 12 volt that you got here, and then these 2 USB ports here. I'll leave a link to some of this stuff here on the Amazon page down here in the comments, where you can buy some of those adapters if you want to go to Amazon and pick you up some of that stuff. But anyway, all right, hey, listen, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to park this bad boy and look at there. I'm going to park this bad boy and get out of here. You guys take care. God bless. I'll see you later.